Next, we're going to see on this question. The question said find the solution means find your x for the following equation. Notice that this is surd equation having three surd. For the first step, you can see two surd at the left hand side, one surd at the right hand side. So it will be distributed evenly already. So to remove your surd, the method we're going to use here will be squaring both sides. So left hand side square, right hand side square. So as you can see, our left hand side here we have one surd minus another surd. So when we're having a plus b square, we're going to expand it as a square plus 2ab plus b square. So therefore, for this surd x plus 7 square, it gives us x plus 7. Then 2 times AB, 2 times A times B negatively. So negative 2 surd x plus 7, surd x plus 2. Then B square. For this part square, when you have B square, it becomes positive. Surd square, remove each other, so it get you x plus 2. Then for the right hand side, square root and square cancel each other, it gives you 6x plus 13. Then notice that now our equation only having one surd. So this negative 2 surd x plus 7 multiply with x plus 2. Together we make it into a one surd. So for the rest of the term, we move it to the right hand side. So x simplify to the right hand side plus x. So minus 2x, we get 4x. And then what else? 7 plus 2, 9. Then we minus 9, we get 4. And then notice that actually we still can simplify. We can divide by negative 2. So once we divide by negative 2, negative 2x, negative 2. So look at the equation here. Now we only have one surd that having simplified. So we're going to square both sides again so that we can get off of this square root. Remaining here is x plus 7, x plus 2. Meanwhile for this square, we need to expand. A square, for this first term a square, positive 4x square. Then 2 times a times b, so positive 8x. Then b square, positive 4. So expand our left hand side here will be equals to x square. Then 2x, 7x, 9x. Then 7 times 2, 14. So we have a quadratic here. Simplify to a general form. As we move it to the right hand side, we get 3x squared, then minus, and then minus 14, so equals to 0. Then we can use our calculator to help us factorize to find out what is our x here. So take our equation, pick for quadratic. So our a is 3, b is negative 1, c is negative 10. So we have 2 and negative 5 over 3. So as we factorize it, it will be 3x plus 5 and x minus 2. At last year, remember for surd equation, you need to check answer. So we need to check whether its left hand side equals to the right hand side. Left hand side, right hand side for this value of x. So the way to check answer, we can just press calculator. Let's say for our question originally is surd, we key in this formula. For x, we read for alpha here, alpha x, then plus 7, then minus square root alpha x plus 2. So this is our left hand side. So I'm going to calculate for these two value, x2, left hand side value is 1. Another, calculate again for another value, negative 5 over 3. So here is 3. So we done for left hand side. Now we can proceed for the right hand side. So repeat again, we key in this formula, which is square root. Go for alpha x, 6 alpha x, then plus 13. Then we press for this button, calculate. For the first value, x is 2, we get 5. For the second value, we calculate for negative 5 over 3. So notice that we have cert 3. So from here, this left hand side not equal to the right hand side. So this part of the answer we will go into reject. So meanwhile, this one left hand side answer equals to right hand side. So this cert equation hold for this x equals to negative 5 over 3. Therefore, we make a conclusion negative 5 over 3 is accepted.